Alrighty, only 4 left. I'll be happy to get these out of the way so I can get back to making art. Got a couple of crotch pieces here. I'm looking forward to turning and see how they look. Alright, finally have all these out of the way. I swear this is the last bowl turning for a while. So these are going on the drawing wall. These 2 pieces have some pretty cool crotch figure in there. You can't see it very well on camera probably, but I was trying to turn this thin so I'd preserve that nice figure in here. There's not as much in this one, just on the edges. It's kind of lost right there, but still some pretty grain in here. They should look really nice all finished up, but that's months away. Now we can get back doing some fun stuff in Cammy's garage.